Good morning to everyone. What's wrong? No good morning, nothing today.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning.
ma'am.
Open your cameras. Now, who is this Shriya Gangwar?
Ma'am, Apurva and Shaurya Gangwar.
So, who is Shriya? I know Apurva, I know Shaurya. Who is Shriya now?
Ma'am?
Shriya is their sister?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she's in which class?
Second.
Second class, all right. Open your cameras, children. What's wrong? Don't you want to begin your class? Very good, very nice. Okay, so what did we do last? We were doing question answers of chapter 17. Have we started doing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
On which question are we?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have done till question 5.
So that means we have done all short answer type.
Ma'am, we have not written answer 5.
What is the question? What is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? What is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, children? Who will tell? Ritvik, will you tell?
Ma'am?
Ritvik, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Apart from Shaurya and Apurva, I think only three students today want to be marked present from this class. That's Ritvik, Apurva, and Shaurya. Rest, I can't see any student. Just having their names in register does not mean the student is present. So it's as good as having your name in the register. That's all. Till you don't show me your face, I will not mark you present. Okay, Pratyush and Noel have also entered the class. Good. All right. Atharv is also now in the class. Atharv has gone, left the class. Okay, tell. Apurva, you tell. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands?
Port Blair.
Yes, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. Write it down. Children, we were doing question answers of chapter 17. Now we are on the fifth question of short answer type. Start writing. Answer number 5. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. The answer is in the chat box. Pratyush, are you writing? Written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has written. Shall we move to the next question? I am not getting the response except for Shaurya and Apurva. Nobody is giving proper response.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Good. Children, please be active. It's looking like you people have eaten sleeping pills and you don't have that capacity and energy to respond. Do you want to sleep? Write down the next question. The next question is from exercise E, answer in detail. Write a short note on Madhya Pradesh. Now everybody,
Ma'am.
yes, everybody open your books to page number 112. Take a pencil
Ma'am,
in
please
your hand. Take a pencil.
send.
Take a pencil in your hand and mark this answer.
ये वाली एक्सरसाइज देखो पेंसिल पकड़ो
Take a pencil and start marking what you have to write on the note of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. The Pachmahari Hill Station, Kana Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some places of interest. The diamond mines are located at Panna. Cotton and wheat are the important crops. That's all. Everyone has marked?
Ma'am, can you repeat once again? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm repeating once again. Please listen to it carefully. Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. The Pachmahari Hill Station, Bandhavgarh, Kana Tiger Reserve are some of the places of interest. The diamond mines are located at Panna. Cotton and wheat are grown here. Okay? Or cotton and wheat are the important crops. Now each one of you have marked. Start writing this answer now.
Ma'am, my fifth and my fourth answer is not.
Not complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll tell one of the students to send the work today.
Okay.
Then you can do it from there. Okay, when this class will get over, one student will send the complete work on the class group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Children, written.
Ma'am,
Yes,
writing.
Okay.
Ma'am, writing.
Ma'am, please tell the answer again.
Underline. Take a pencil in your hand. Open page number 112 and start underlining. In the paragraph of Madhya Pradesh, can you see? Athar?
Yes, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital city. Then the next line, the Pachmari Hill Station, Kana Tiger Reserve and Bandhavgarh National Park are some places of interest. Then again in the next line, the diamond mines are located at Panna and cotton and wheat are the important crops that are grown here.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, I joined late, so you can tell me what we are.
What are you saying, Advika? Advika, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I have joined late, so you can tell me what will.
We are doing long answers of chapter 17. We are doing children are writing answer number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Written,
Yes, ma'am.
all of you.
No, ma'am.
Hurry up and write, hurry up. Who will read out the next question? Who will read? Yes, read out.
A tourist would like to visit Maharashtra and Karnataka. Name a few tourist destinations which you think they should visit during their trip.
Very nice. So, what are they asking? They are asking the tourist destinations of Maharashtra and Karnataka. All right. So, children, those who have done the previous answer, just try to find out whether you try to look for the answer, whether you can find this answer. Tell me the tourist places of both the states. Were you able to find it out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. What about others? Only Noel, Apurva and Shaurya are there in the class. Rest nobody is there. Nobody will reply. Atharv, where is your copy? Atharv Sharma, what are you doing? Are you writing these answers? Have you started writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have find it out of Maharashtra. Ma'am, I have found both states.
Very nice. Both the tourist destinations of both the states. So everybody open up your books to page number 113 now. Let me make you mark the answer. In the paragraph of Maharashtra, the last third line, the tourist attractions are Ajanta and Ellora caves, Elephanta, Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. Okay? And then in the state of Karnataka, in the second paragraph of Karnataka, the last second line, the tourist attractions are Mysore Palace, Vrindavan Garden, Jog Falls, as well as many temples. This is the answer. Okay? Have you marked it, Athar? Shreyansh, have you marked it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good.
Please again tell the Karnataka.
Karnataka, beta. Karnataka has got 2 paragraphs. Now look into the second paragraph of Karnataka, the last second line. Starting from the beginning, the tourist attractions are Mysore Palace, Vrindavan Gardens, Jog Falls, as well as many temples. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Noel, beta, have you marked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Very nice. Atharv, are you able to locate it? Were you able to find the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Right, Atharv. Please start writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Children, written this answer?
Ma'am, writing here.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Apurva and
written.
Shaurya, Apurva and Shaurya, after doing today's work, you have to post the work on class group. Fine? Whatever has been done from chapter 17.
Ma'am, please tell first answer because I write second answer but do not write first answer.
First answer of this one, write a short note on Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So beta, you have to mark this answer in the book. I have made other students also mark the answer in the book. Open page number 112.
Open, ma'am.
Take a pencil in your hand and start underlining the answer. Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. Now in the next line, the Pachmahari Hill Station, Kanha Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some of the places of interest. Then the diamond mines at Panna are located here. Cotton and wheat are grown here. Okay. Marked. Have you marked it, Arif?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, good. Good.
Ma'am, please tell the tourist state of Maharashtra.
The tourist places of Maharashtra are, now see, look into the paragraph of Maharashtra. This is such a simple answer, beta. You can try to find it yourself also. Last third line of Maharashtra. The tourist attractions are Ajanta and Ellora, caves, Elephanta, Mahabaleshwar, and Panchgani. These are from the state of Maharashtra. Have you found out from the state of Karnataka? Could you find it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Now write it.
Ma'am, we have done the second answer.
Children, have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, write down the next question. The next question is, what is the difference between the Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow and the Narmada and Tapi? So what is the question? The question is, they are asking the difference between the flow of Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi and the flow of Narmada and Tapi. Fine? So can anybody tell what is the difference between the flow?
Ma'am.
Yes, Noel. Very good. Tell.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow from the west to east.
Very good.
And Narmada and Tapi flow from east to west.
Very nice. Very good. This is one difference. Yes, Shaurya.
Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri are flow into the Bengal, and Tapi and Narmada flow into Arabian Sea.
Very nice. These are the two differences of the flow of the rivers. So, children, they have given two groups of rivers. One group is Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, and the second group is Narmada and Tapi. And they are asking the difference between the flow of both the groups. So let's write the answer. I'm typing this answer in the chat box. You can see from there. How will you begin the answer? The answer you'll begin the difference between. Which answer is this? This is answer number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The difference between the flow of Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. Children, I am putting these rivers in bracket. Okay, these are two different groups. So let's put them in a bracket. And Narmada, Tapi.
Ma'am, please send on work on WhatsApp.
Only 1 minute is left. Start writing the answer. I have sent in the chat box the difference between the flow of Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi and Narmada and Tapi is, write this much.